In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about formative and summative evaluation. Concept and definition of formative evaluation. Formative evaluation means evaluation during the process of teaching. The term formative denotes the ongoing or systematic assessment of students' achievement while the term course or instructional program is in process. The gathering of data during the time of teaching program for the purpose of guiding the development process is formative evaluation. The aim of formative evaluation is to support and enhance the teaching learning process. It does not make final judgment. During evaluation, if a teacher feels that a student needs to improve, the student is given immediate guidance so that learning takes place effectively. In other words, it is assessment for learning. Moreover, since it gives immediate feedback, it caters to the scope of improvement for both the teacher and the students. Through formative evaluation, the teacher, the student, and the parents of the student get feedback regarding the performance of the student and can easily identify his or her area of strength and weakness. The learning difficulties of the student become clear and the teacher can work towards eliminating them. He or she can change his or her instructional strategy or may resort to the remedial teaching practice. Needs of formative evaluation. Identification learning errors and help plan correct remedies for overcoming learning difficulties. Motivates the learning process. Provides practice and minimizes test anxiety. Enhances the academic achievement of students. Provides information and feedback to teachers and students for modifying instructional methodology. Helps in providing group and individual remedial programs. Monitors students' progress. Facilitates retention and transfer learning. Reinforces the learning of high achievers. Helps in simulative evaluation. Helps students self-evaluation. Identify the strengths and weaknesses of the students. Tools and techniques of formative evaluation. The teacher can use some of the following for formative evaluation. Oral question in the class posed by the teacher. Charts, models, graphs, drawings. Work of a child in a notebook. That is a collection of the things prepared by the child. Observation of participation of group activities. That is collaboration and cooperation, etc. Observation of individual work. Observation of overall response of the class. Observation of participation in a group discussion. Observation of involvement in project work. Designing an activity, etc. Summative evaluation takes place after a unit, a session, or a term. It is done to measure the achievement of the student. It measures the overall result of teaching learning process as well as evaluates the end product of the educational outcomes. During summative evaluation, teachers can cover large portion and also check the fulfillment of the higher level objectives. Teacher can also check the integration of the information provided or lesson taught as separate subunits during teaching learning process. A teacher takes summative evaluation only after completing all the formative tests. Summative evaluation may be external or internal. We can use different techniques for summative evaluation such as term test, annual test, and external examinations, which may be conducted by the school or some public agency are essential components. Difficulty of the tool. The difficulty level of a question paper for summative evaluation should be such that weak students are also able to solve at least half of the paper. This will help them gain confidence and motivate them to do better next time. The other half of the paper should have questions of high standard so as to challenge the minds of young students, especially those who have a strong hold on the subject. Marks obtained by the student are converted to grades and entered in their respective report cards. Significance of summative evaluation. Identifies the level of final progress of students, takes place at the end of the academic year, becomes the basis of promoting a child to the next class, helps in deciding the grades of the students, treated as an end of course activity, helps students in choosing a career. Now I am going to discuss the difference between formative evaluation and summative evaluation. Purpose. Formative evaluation diagnoses the strengths and weaknesses of the student and provides remedial measures for slow and gifted learners. Summative evaluation classifies the result and performance of the student and predictions of future success. Use. The result of formative evaluation are used for improving the instructional strategy and remedial teaching. The results of summative evaluation are used for judging the pupils' achievements. Focus. The focus of formative evaluation is on improving the learning and achievements of students. Focus of summative evaluation is on measuring the learning and achievements of students. Tools and techniques used. Unit test, assignment, quizzes, etc. are used for formative evaluation, whereas term test, annual test, external examinations are used for summative evaluation. Nature. Formative evaluation conducted throughout the course or during the course of instruction. Summative evaluation conducted at the end of the course. Feedback. Continuous feedback is provided through formative evaluation. But in summative evaluation, feedback is provided at the end of the course and not on a continuous basis. Now try this. What is evaluation? Discuss the various techniques and devices used for evaluating teaching learning outcomes. Distinguish between formative and summative evaluation.